That's right. Provincially, though, these are the numbers. 491 new cases brings Ontario's total up to just short of 50,000 lab-confirmed infections. There were more than 43,000 tests conducted in the last 24 hours. 12 additional hospitalizations from yesterday brings Ontario's patients treated in hospital to 112.
Locally, Ottawa Public Health is reporting 58 new lab-confirmed cases. That brings the city's total to 4,063. Of those, 575 cases are considered active, and there's one new death. As CTV's Jeremy Charon reports, cases here in the capital are on pace to set a concerning record, surpassing numbers we saw in April, making September the worst month yet.
As Ontario continues to battle the second wave of COVID-19, in Ottawa, rising numbers are pushing cases this month towards uncharted territory.
It's concerning, obviously, and the biggest concern is that these new cases will eventually translate into hospitalizations, which eventually will translate into some deaths.
Since September 1st, Ottawa Public Health has reported 1,088 cases of COVID-19. This month, on pace to surpass April for the highest number of cases since the start of the pandemic. The highest number of them, 300, are in people between the ages of 20 and 29.
The younger population are far less likely to suffer from this, which is probably why we're not seeing as many deaths immediately. But we don't live in segregated societies. Young people will eventually give it to their parents, who can give it to their grandparents, and so forth. Maybe they won't. Maybe they won't. I'm praying they won't. But I'm not optimistic about that.
These numbers come as several healthcare facilities in the city are reporting outbreaks. And the Ministry of Long-Term Care has stepped in to help two homes in Ottawa hit hardest by the virus.
It's emotional. It's definitely an emotional time right now.
The Ottawa Hospital has taken over management of Extendicare West End Villa and Extendicare Laurier Manor. The rise in cases across the province has some worried about facilities like these.
And I see the numbers come out every day of COVID positive homes. I was very happy a few weeks ago. We were down to one digit. It was great. But now we're in the 40s again of COVID positive homes. That is a concern,
And many Ottawa residents worried too about numbers trending in the wrong direction.
Too many people have not been keeping their distances, wash their hands.
I'm scared for my family and if somebody gets hurt, and also for my school, I'm not sure what's going to happen and everything.
Experts say part of the rise in cases can be attributed to more testing across the province, but they also say the percentage of tests coming back positive is also still high. Many are warning of the lagging effects a continued rise in cases could have in the future. Jeremy Charon, CTV News.